Big Bash League 2025-26. In the final match, two finalists Perth Scorchers vs Sydney Sixers. Match played at Perth Stadium, Perth. Perth Scorchers won the toss, elected to field first. Sydney Sixers 20 overs 132 runs all out. Stephen Smith is the best scorer 24 runs 13 balls. Then Perth Scorchers best bowling spell David Payne 4 overs no maiden 18 runs 3 wickets taken. Perth Scorchers 17.3 overs 133 runs lost by 4 wickets. Mitchell Marsh is the highest scorer 44 runs 43 balls. Then Sydney Sixers best bowling spell Sean Abbott 4 overs no maiden 19 runs 2 wickets taken. Perth Scorchers won by 6 wickets in this match. Player of the match David Payne. Player of the series Sam Harper. Congratulations Perth Scorchers, winner of the Big Bash League 2026.